What are the best machine learning courses on Coursera right now? And which one should you actually take? In this video, I'll rank the top machine learning courses on Coursera based on quality, popularity, and real-world value. If you want to explore any of these, I've linked them below so you can compare and check current offers. Before we start, quick tip. If you plan to take more than one course, Coursera Plus is usually the better option. You can access multiple machine learning programs under one plan and build a full skill set without paying for each course separately. Now let's get into the rankings. Number 1 is the Machine Learning Specialization by Andrew Ng. This is the most recommended course for beginners with a rating of around 4.9 and tens of thousands of reviews. It covers core concepts like regression, classification, and neural networks in a very clear and beginner-friendly way. If you're starting from zero, this is the best place to begin. Number 2 is Machine Learning with Python by IBM. This course has a rating of around 4.7 and focuses more on practical implementation using Python. It's ideal if you already know Python and want hands-on experience with real machine learning models. Number 3 is the Machine Learning Specialization by the University of Washington. This program has a rating of around 4.6 and goes deeper into advanced topics like feature engineering and real-world applications. It's better suited for intermediate learners who want to go beyond the basics. And a strong honorable mention is the IBM Machine Learning Professional Certificate. This one is more career-focused and includes practical tools, projects, and real-world workflows. Now here's the key strategy. Don't just pick a random course. Choose based on your level. If you're a beginner, start with Andrew Ng. If you know Python, move to IBM's course. If you want deeper knowledge, go with more advanced specializations. That's how you build real skills. And this is where Coursera Plus becomes very useful. You can follow this entire path, move between courses, and build a complete machine learning skill set without paying for each one separately. But let's keep it real. No single course will make you an expert. You need to practice, build projects, and apply what you learn. So, what is the best machine learning course on Coursera? For most people, Andrew Ng's course is the best starting point, but the right choice depends on your current level and your goal. If you want to explore these courses or check out Coursera Plus, you'll find the links in the description. And if you found this helpful, subscribe for more simple and honest guides like this.